Hey, what's going on, YouTube? All right, today we are at the Hall of Fame Village in Canton, Ohio. We got a car show today. Today's Tuesday. This car show is from 5 p.m. to 8 a.m. 8 p.m. I don't know why I say a.m., but let's go. Fresh out of work, straight
I know.
to the car show.
I'm like, I ain't got no choice now. Look at that in there now. I at least got you like that? Yeah. One on either side.
Shit, I probably seen comments on it.
So far, we got the typical Camaros, Challengers, Mustangs, the same shit you see usually. We got some Kias. These Kias are very nice. Obviously, you gotta see my baby. Always clean, always sitting pretty. Got this nice Subaru. Thunderbird for you classics people. This guy should be parked in the over there in the Visitor. Nice Jag.
And then sold it to the car he started with his dad. His last name.
Right behind us, we have a Lotus. Let's head over here. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This thing's a beauty. Thing's so sweet. So nice. Clean. Clean, clean, clean. Got some more Corvettes. Some more classics. It's a Buick. GS Stage 1.
You might have. Oh, that's Lotus. Um,
We got a lot of cars coming in today. Let's see how many. Should be a big show. Hopefully we don't get into any music because I hate adding background music due to copywriting issues. We got a Falcon. Clean, clean. Cheech and Chong. Got the Cheech and Chong. For all you youngins who don't know who Cheech and Chong is, go watch the movie. But everybody should already know who Cheech and Chong is. Your regular scat packs. Nothing too amazing about that. We see them all over YouTube. When it comes to scat packs, Hellcats, Demons, Red Eyes, we all know about them. Bel Air. Clean, clean, clean Bel Air. Clean. This is for all you classic lovers. I mean, I love me some classic cars too, but gotta show love to everything. You can see usually these imports. Scatty. We've already seen all those. Let's move on to the back. We still got a lot more people coming. Still early. Still fresh. People are still getting out of work. Trying to make it here. So we'll probably end up cutting the video and coming back. There you go. Beautiful. I'm walking a little bit too fast, but clean. Clean. Let me go hurry and put on my do not disturb real quick so I don't get no calls and shuts down my video. Let's see what we got going down this way.
But anyway, they run through there and there's just enough room this way to.
Got a Nova. Clean, clean, clean. 283 Super Sport, Chevy, Impala, SS. Clean. Got your Grand National. What I always say, if you're looking for a Grand National, come to Ohio because we have every Grand National known to man. 345 Hemi. Let's keep on moving. We still got more cars coming in. Got an LS. Skyline GTR. JDM boys. Cadillac. PSC. Cammed out. Where my boy Miguel at with his CTSV. We got some cars down here. See what we got. We got this little kid here. Hey, little buddy. I still gotta get used to this gimbal. I don't know why this gimbal is going crazy. I know I gotta do some slow movements with this gimbal, but I need to upgrade to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 SRT 10 Viper. Looks nice. What is this? I mean,
Looking forward to it. Hope to see you down there. You don't have to bring a car. You can come park in this parking lot.
all right, we're gonna cut it here. We're gonna wait for a couple more cars to come in, and then I'll take a little video from here to here, and then I'll start attaching them. But that's it for so far. It's still early. A lot of people are still getting out of work. So I'll see you guys again. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Get me to 50 subscribers. And please go ahead and comment. Let's try to get me to 50 subscribers so I can post these live. And I'm out.